Hello and welcome to another edition of Question and Answer with a Criminal Defense Attorney. And today's question, what is bond? So, bond. How does bond work? Should I use a bondsman? What about the bonding fees? I've heard they're 8% or 10%. What's a personal recognizance bond? So, the answer to that. Bond is there to make sure that a defendant goes back to court and does not commit new crimes while out. That also makes sure that they keep going back to court. So a failure to appear or getting new charges can make a judge revoke a bond. If a judge revokes a bond, the court can keep the money that was posted. Or in the case of a personal recognizance bond, it'll make you pay the money you didn't have to pay to get out. So what's a personal recognizance bond? Number one. A personal recognizance bond is where you sign your name and get out. The judge is not making you actually post any money to the court, and you get out on your signature. Fairly straightforward. If the judge gives a cash or surety bond, it means that somebody has to post some money with the court to allow the defendant to get out. To do that, you can either post the money with the court and you'll get it all back, or you can post money through a bondsman, and they will require a bonding fee. If the bond is less than $10,000, there is a 10% bonding fee here in Colorado. If it's $10,000 or more, it's an 8% bonding fee. So in other words, a $50,000 bond, you're going to be paying a $4,000 non-refundable fee to the bondsman. $25,000, $2,000 bonding fee. So in other words, if you can afford to post the money with the court and it won't affect your ability to get an attorney, you still need to be able to fight the case once you get out. If you don't qualify for a public defender and the court's holding all of your money and you can't have an attorney because you can't afford one, that's not good. That's one great reason to use a bondsman. On the other hand, whoever's posting the bond needs to understand that whether you post the money with the court or you use a bondsman, you're still at risk for the full amount of the bond. That's why bondsmen will often require collateral, especially for higher bonds, even $5,000 or more. They may want you to sign over title to your car or get a mortgage on the house or some sort of security for the loan that they're giving you. So 8 and 10%, it's a high amount of fee to pay for a short-term loan, but they do their jobs well, and at the other end of it, you're out of custody. So that pretty much does it for today. We've explained what bond is, personal recognizance, how to post a bond, what the liability is to the person posting the bond. Thank you for joining me, and as always, you have a right to remain silent. Use it. If a police officer asks you questions about you, where you've been, who you know, what you have, the answer should be, I don't want to talk to you.